Get ready for power. Smart. Agile. No fuss. No fumes. This is battery. Ready to power a new generation.
My name's Harry Thompson. I'm the founder of How to Cut Limited, and yeah, I'm a structural carpenter. What drives my passion? I would say it's more of a hobby than a job. It's seeing the creation at the end of the job, and yeah, I like the scale of structural carpentry, constructing roofs and big structures. It's just rewarding. So using the right tools is very important. Having the right brand is key, really. Having the tools that you work with day to day performing efficiently is, what you need to firstly earn the money and to make it enjoyable whilst working with them. A typical scenario day to day is just quite a few mathematical calculations for working out roofs, things like that. So you do tend to have to use your brain quite a lot, and then a lot of hands-on constructing of timber frames. When I first got the Makita left-handed side blade, worm drive saw, circular saw, definitely had a big impact in the power of it, how efficient it was, being able to see the blade when cutting through timbers like rafters or joists, that kind of stuff. Yeah, it definitely helps speed up day-to-day process. One of the biggest challenges I think I've faced so far in the industry would be sourcing skilled enough workers. There's plenty out there, but finding the right ones that are reliable is a bit testing at times, I would say. Yeah, Makita tools definitely help my day-to-day. The most standout thing I would say would be the batteries and how long-lasting they are. Using the tools day-to-day, we're putting them through their paces, so it's important that they do last long. What I would say is next for Harry and How to Cut Limited is slowly scaling up the business, so getting more guys on board, still producing the quality of work that we strive to provide, and yeah, just taking on nice complex jobs because I like the challenge in what we do.
So here at Eden, we want to be zero carbon as soon as possible, and a big part of that is eliminating the use of fossil fuels for our vehicles and all our equipment. So actually working with Makita, a forward-looking company, to transition all our tools to electric is a really strong step in doing that.
The Makita machines are being used throughout all of the horticultural teams, so that includes working here inside the biomes and throughout the gardens outside, but also throughout the estate, around the car park. So in every area where Eden operates, you're seeing the Makita machines.
We try their materials, we can give them feedback of the materials. They're really nice people there. They've been with us before. They're good tools. They're improving their tools, especially on the horticultural side. So it was just, it's kind of, there's just a feeling with each other, and it just worked.
The partnership with Eden is a 5-year arrangement, and it's a true partnership between both organisations. We're learning from each other. We're asking them for feedback, and we're going to incorporate what they tell us into our future designs for product. We as a company have committed now, we're not going to make any more petrol engine products. It's all going to be cordless and mains product for the future, and it's all about protecting the environment.
For us, there's huge benefits having cordless kit as well. It means that we don't have cables trailing around across the pathways, which obviously would be a trip hazard. It doesn't limit us where we can go either, so we can take the kit wherever we need to. Using petrol obviously has a huge impact on our environment. If we use electric, we know that we can source that 100% sustainably, so we're not putting any bad emissions into the environment. Particularly here in the biomes, it's really important that we don't use petrol and diesel because we don't want to be damaging the ETFE. All round, for the environment, it's absolutely the right thing to do, and it's something that we need to be demonstrating to people is possible as well.
What I really like about the hedge cutter is that it's very light, there's low vibrations, and so yeah, my hands don't go dead after a while. and the rear part of the hedge cutter pivots round as well, so it makes it a lot easier for us when we're on the slopes.
There's not a job I don't think I can't do this with an electric Makita strimmer. I really like how easy they are to handle. They're light. The low vibration really is a dramatic change in using this type of machine.
I'm a really big fan of just how lightweight it is. To go from much heavier traditional machinery to instantly picking up the 405, and it was remarkable just how lightweight it was.
The Makita blower is very versatile, so it means that we can go around with the blower quickly and easily change over into the vacuum. And it saves having to go back and change to a separate piece of machinery. It's not sluggish, it's not slow or any less powerful. It gives instant powerful delivery until the batteries run out.
The thing which really stood out with Makita technology is that one battery does everything. And it's a good quality battery. And it's therefore easy. You can just swap it from machinery to machinery.
One thing that I'm seeing which is really useful is that the batteries charge really quickly. So a team might use a blower, put the batteries on charge, and they will be charged up again within half an hour if they need it again.
It does exactly what we would like to do. No pollution, no noise, no vibration.
Product development is very important at Makita, and the feedback we get from all of our users plays a crucial role in how we manufacture our machines. We speak to them on a regular basis, and we're developing the range of machines now that they're taking, and if you come to visit the site then you will see all sorts of Makita products. We're learning, they're learning, and I see that just getting better and better and better over the next 5 years. Everybody knows the message from Eden, and everybody now should be knowing the message from Makita, and it is to make the world a better place.
I love what I do. I really enjoy all the technology. I also enjoy fixing people's problems. It's so rewarding when people have had a problem for such a long time and you know, they're paying you to go there and you're fixing it and you see how you can transform these properties. So I started in the industry roughly around about 23 years ago, and it's building preservation, so it's all to do with repairing buildings. I started as a plasterer, and that was hard enough to learn on its own. And then when I started learning about all the other stuff, it was like mind-blowing. But the actual reward of learning and fixing things, that took over. And then that's when the passion just absolutely grew insanely. And reading, researching, I've got hundreds of books now on everything about all the damp on the old buildings. And it's given me the opportunity to speak at conferences and talk about all this stuff that I've actually researched and found, so others have been able to get the benefit from it. So I think where there's so much misdiagnosis, the passion takes over trying to do the right thing and give the best advice. And it just really runs deep, and that is where you want to be. And that keeps driving and driving and driving you to be the best you can be at what you do. So our work is very detailed, and it has to be 100% bang on. So it's necessary to have the correct tools. So the surveying kit equipment is obviously a big thing, but also Makita brand is a platform we've been using for a long time. And what is really good about this stuff, it's just so reliable. We're working in really dusty environments on building sites, and we need it to, you know, fulfill its duty every single day and perform without breaking. So as a tradesman, Makita brand, it's the ergonomics of everything. Everything just feels so correct and right in your hands, and it's just such an easy way to work it because it's so well balanced. So I've been doing it for over 23 years now, and what keeps me going, it becomes more like a hobby, because every day is like a school day. You're learning something new. We've got lots of regulations, lots of things changing, lots of new kit, so you've got to keep up to date. I just love the investigation side of things, and I love fixing problems for people, and that's what gives me the biggest buzz, and I think it will continue for a long time with a bit of luck.
Welcome back to the Makita UK channel. In our latest product showcase, we're taking a closer look at some of the newest tools across our XGT and LXT platforms. From high torque fastening to outdoor maintenance, we'll explore the features, accessories, and applications that make each of these tools essential additions to your kit. Let's dive in. The TD004G impact driver delivers outstanding fastening performance for heavy-duty applications. At its core is a brushless motor capable of producing up to 230 Nm of torque. That means plenty of power for demanding construction and installation work. Standout features include one-touch installation. The reduced resistance makes bit changes faster and smoother. Twin LED job lights provide excellent visibility in low light conditions, with pre-glow and afterglow functions to illuminate your work area. For control, you've got a variable speed via the trigger, 4 selectable impact modes, and a dedicated T mode for thin metal sheets, helping to prevent damage and overdriving. Keeping your work environment clean is arguably just as important as the work itself, and that's where the VC013GL comes in. This cordless 40V max vacuum delivers powerful, efficient suction, strong enough to lift 3 500ml bottles. An increased motor size and faster rotation speed deliver a maximum sealed suction of 15 kilopascals, and an airflow rate of 2 cubic meters per minute. Despite all that power, noise levels are still kept low. On a full charge, the runtime ranges from 22 to 120 minutes, depending on the settings. The tank capacity is 7.5 litres dry and 4.5 litres wet, ideal for a wide range of jobs. Optional accessories include filter and paper bag sets, wet filters, telescopic and bent pipe kits, caster sets, and complete hoses, giving you flexibility for any site condition. Next up, the HG001G heat gun, built for efficiency and precision. It reaches temperatures of up to 600 degrees, with an LCD backlit display for full control of air volume and temperature. The quick-release nozzle system lets you change nozzles without touching hot parts. Other features include a lock-off lever, trigger, and lock-on button for continuous use. Applications range from shrink fitting and bending plastics to paint stripping and surface prep. Optional nozzles include wide slot, reduction, reflection, and glass protection, offering plenty of versatility outside of the box. For outdoor tasks, the UC030G chainsaw delivers petrol performance in a cordless package. It's equivalent to a 50cc class chainsaw with around 28 cuts per charge. The high output battery and brushless motor drive the chain at 29 meters per second. A shorter distance between the handle and guard improves brake usability, and the dust cover can be removed tool-free for simple air filter maintenance. Available in 16, 18 or 20-inch guide bar and chain options, so you can tailor it to your job. That was our XGT 40V max chainsaw. The DJV186 jigsaw is built for accuracy and ease of use. Compact, lightweight, perfect for precision cutting. 3 orbital settings plus straight cutting, easily selectable via the lever. 18mm of stroke length and then variable speed by the trigger. A rigid aluminium base provides stability, while optional accessories like the guide rail adapter and sub-base set make it adaptable for many tasks. 2 updated models in the LXT line, the DDF492 and the DHP492. A redesigned speed change mechanism prevents gear disengagement. Improved controller protection enhanced durability during prolonged use. These drills replace the DDF and DHP486 models, bringing better performance and reliability. You can also pair them with our 28-piece torsion bit set or 100-piece accessory set for everything from light fastening to heavy drilling. That's the 2 updated LXT 18V drill drivers. For tight spaces, the LXT angle impact wrench is purpose-built. Compact, powerful, perfect for vehicle maintenance and farm machinery. Features include 3 impact power stages, forward and reverse auto stop, and LED job lighting. Secured fastening, controlled removal, especially effective for tractor tire replacement and railway maintenance. That's our LXT 18-volt angle impact wrench, the DTL 300 and the DTL 302. The JR003G Recipro saw is made for large diameter pipe cutting and heavy demolition. The quick and secure chain vise makes thick materials easier to cut. The brushless motor ensures power and durability, and the adjustable stroke rate adapts to different materials. Blade clamp maintenance is made fast and simple with our XGT 40V Max Recipro saw. Let's get into the next one. For detailed grinding, the GD002G and the GD001G deliver high efficiency, around 40% more performance compared to 18V models. The slim grip keeps it comfortable. The shaft lock simplifies accessory changes. An adjustable speed dial and triple LED lighting gives you precise control for deburring, polishing, or shaping. That's our XGT 40V Max die grinders, the GD002G and the GD001G. What's up next? The TR001G, offering tying strengths of up to 180% higher compared to our 18V model. It handles a wide range of rebar diameters, fast and consistently. Wire reel loading is simple with linked cover and feed mechanism. Clockwise twisting minimizes loosening. Ideal for large-scale reinforcement or high-volume work. That's our XGT 40V Max rebar tying tool. The SC001G pairs perfectly with the tying tool. It cuts 16mm rebar in under 2 seconds, with reduced debris and improved safety. The rotating head improves access in tight spaces, while the brushless motor and hydraulic unit deliver reliable power. That's our XGT 40V Max rebar cutter, the SC001G. For the garden, the DLM 466 lawnmower provides cordless convenience with petrol-like power, powered by two 18V batteries in series. There's a steel deck for durability and a washable design for easy cleaning. Normal and low noise modes, grass level indicator, adjustable handle height, a forward tilted blade reduces double cutting, boosting efficiency and runtime. That's our LXT 36V lawnmower. The DST 630 is a lightweight, well-balanced precision stapler, with features such as driving depth adjustment, anti-dry fire mechanism, slim nose for excellent visibility. Also including an LED job light, selectable modes, and 100 staple magazine capacity, making it ideal for cabinetry, trim, and finish work. That's our LXT 18V narrow crown stapler, the DST 630. Next up, the SN001G snowblower. Cordless power, quick snow removal, and 10-meter throwing distance. Also with adjustable discharge direction, foldable handle, LED light, and a single-stage auger system ensuring smooth intake and discharge. That was our XGT 40V Max snowblower. From high-powered fastening and cutting to outdoor maintenance and winter solutions, the XGT and LXT ranges continue to evolve with tools that are built to perform. For more details on these models and the full Makita range, visit our website or speak to your local dealer.